Like a garland maker, a learner on the path will comprehend this well-taught Dhamma. Dhammapad 45. The student, the learner, the seeker, the apprentice, the person who is being disciplined will perceive the doctrine like the expert garland maker who recognizes the arranges flowers. It is the learner, the seeker, the student who will perceive the world of Dhamma, the realm of heavenly beings and existence on earth. He will discern and determine the various areas of doctrine, like a deft garland maker who plucks and arranges the flowers into garlands. One trained will comprehend this art, the world of Dhamma and the gods. One trained discern the world of Dhamma as one who is skilled selects a flower. Dhammapad 45. Shekho pathabing vijesati jamo lokoncho imong sodevakong Shekho dhammapadong sudesitong usolo puphamibo possessati. Dhammapad 45.